Hey everyone, so in the last video we had seen the values of the different standard trigonometric ratios, that is sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec of these angles, which is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So I had said earlier that I'll be doing a derivation video soon, and this is that video. So in this video I'm going to derive why sine 30 is 1 by 2, why cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and more. So first, I'm going to take an equilateral triangle. So let's say we have an equilateral triangle ABC. And if you know that in an equilateral triangle, all angles are equal to 60 degrees and all sides are equal. Let's call this side as S for our reference. Now I'm going to draw the perpendicular from point A for this triangle. So as we know that the perpendicular will have an angle of 90 and this angle is 60, so this angle must be 30 degrees because all the angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Now get I'm going to make a few assumptions. So the first assumption is that we know AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, which is equal to S. Now let's name this point D. I want to find the measure of BD and the measure of AD. So now we know that BD is actually just half of BC because that's the property of equilateral triangles. When you draw a perpendicular from any point, it also bisects the opposite line to that point. So BD is just BC divided by 2, or we can say S by 2. Now for AD, we can actually use the Pythagoras theorem. So we can say in triangle ABD, we can have AD squared plus BD squared is equal to AB squared because AB is the hypotenuse. So the triangle which I'm talking about is this one, marked in yellow. So let's substitute our values. AD, we have to find AD, so AD squared is equal to plus BD squared, and we know that BD is S by 2, so we can say plus S by 2 the whole square is equal to AB square, which is S square. Now let's simplify this. So AD square plus S square by 4 is equal to S square, and AD square is equal to S square minus S square by 4. So AD square is equal to 3S square by 4, and therefore AD is equal to the root of 3S square by 4, which is root 3S by 2. So now we have all the sides of this triangle. Now I'm going to get into picture the trigonometric ratios. Let me draw that triangle again. Okay, so this is 60 and this is 30. Now we know that this is S by 2, this is S, this is root 3S by 2. Now, if you remember your trigonometry, you'll know that sine theta is equal to opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. So let's take this theta as 60. So let angle B be equal to theta, which is equal to 60 degrees over here. So sine 60 is opposite by hypotenuse. The opposite side is AD divided by AB, which is the hypotenuse. And there you get root 3s by 2 divided by s, which is nothing but root 3s by 2s, which is root 3 by 2. And that's one formula you have, that sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Now similarly for the 30-degree angle, let's say sine 30 is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So in this case, when angle BAD is equal to theta, we have sine 30 is equal to BD by AB, which is s by 2 divided by s, which is nothing but s divided by 2s, which is 1 by 2. And that's your second derivation. We have sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Now for cos as well, we can do the same thing. So cos 30, which in this case is angle BAD, will be equal to the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse, which is AD by AB, which we saw over here. It's equal to root 3 by 2. Similarly over here, cos 30, cos 60, in this case angle B is equal to theta, which is 60. We'll have cos 60 as adjacent side by hypotenuse, which is BD by AB, which is 1 by 2. And that's your sine and cos derivations for standard angles. Now we can easily get tan as well. So let me take tan as well. I'll do tan in green. So let's say tan 30. So the 30 degree angle is angle BAD. So tan 30, so we know that tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So in this case, it's going to be BD divided by AD, which is equal to s by 2 divided by root 3s by 2, which is s by 2 into 2 divided by root 3s. Can cancel the s and the 2, and we'll get 1 by root 3. Similarly, you can try on your own, and you'll find out that tan 60 is equal to root 3. And from here on, you can also derive the values of cot and cosec and secant theta. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.